This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
Office supplies. In this video, we're talking about Poppin's line of office supplies, and as you can see, we let our employees pick their own color schemes, so we have stuff from a bunch of different desks, and for us, it was a great way to give them a unique space that was kind of their own and allow them to kind of customize things to their tastes. Poppin makes a range of stuff from office furniture all the way to pens and paper clips, and a lot of this useful stuff in between. A lot of it is this great, nice weight plastic that has a sleek kind of modern design to it and a beautiful kind of lacquer-like finish. It's nice and shiny, so it'll fit into a lot of settings. So whether you're looking to spruce up your home office, your desk at work, or your school space for studying, this is a great way to do it. They come in a lot of fun colors, so you can easily customize your space, and they offer a wide range of products. You can see we've got a kind of magazine file over on the end that we use for our catalogs and stuff like that for our different wholesale suppliers. We've got a little tabletop file box that allows me to easily grab and have things at my fingertips that are going to be our orders for the next couple of months. They make a variety of things like pen cups, pencil cups, and holders for various things like your paper clips and the other office supplies you have, and also some more useful things like cute little business card holders, little vertical file sorters, and then we use the cute little trays that are great for holding knickknacks and organizing your drawers, but also for us to keep our desks clean. That's where the morning coffee goes, right? And then we also have these great in-out boxes, things like tape dispensers, staplers, and they also make actual office supplies. So think pens, paper clips, notebooks, file sorters, and all sorts of other things. So overall, it's a great line of well-made office supplies that can allow you to create a unique and customized space. So whether that's giving everyone's desk a little bit of personality, or kind of reinforcing your brand by getting colors that match or go with or complement your logo, it's a great way to liven up the office and give everyone their own little touch of personality.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.